Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn a very large project, which is creating a network on the range of over 1,000 meters. Well, 1,000 meters seems like a very large range. It is because for like wired transmissions, Ethernet cables, the transmissions are usually commonly limited at 100 meters due to the IEEE 802.3 protocol. Sometimes we can boost up the signal up to like 200, 300 meters, all the way up to 800 meters with some extenders and ejectors. But 800 meters is like the deadline there. Because of the signal loss over 800 meters, and the bandwidth will be reduced like to 10 megabits per second. So it's not really worth it. Imagine now we have a new solution. If we're in an open wide space, zero obstacles, zero constructions in the middle interrupting the wireless signal, we can use two wireless network bridges. These usually come in a pack. It's a pair of wireless receiver or transmitter. So usually in a main network, we would connect the transmitter. It would transmit our network signal to its receiver, and the receiver would turn all the data into a wire. We can connect it with an Ethernet cable and connect it with another IP device. It's very convenient. And usually the bandwidth for these can go up to 450 megabits per second, and they can make a connection up to 2 kilometers. So very convenient when we want to set up a long-range network system. But you have to remember, we can't have too much obstacles in the middle of it. And also, they will run on very low voltages, only 24 volts, and that's really common seen in the outside where there are not a lot of people using electricity. They will have very low voltage rated power outlets for these. Okay, so we can use these. This will receive our main network signal, transmit it here, and over here on this side we want to set up a camera system or an IP system. What should we do? Well, the good thing is we can use this as a main data supply out in the wild or 1,000 meters away, and then we can connect it to one of these, our fast cabling outdoor PoE powered switch. So what's the beauty about this? Powered switches, they can act as both power supply equipment and power device. It will receive power from our alternating current outlet 1,000 meters away, and the data from the wireless bridge receiver 1,000 meters away. And he will be there too. When he receives both of them, he'll work as a switch in the outside, providing power and data for the devices over there. So imagine this is near this, and when the switch is near our wireless bridge, it can then act as a regular switch, and then we can start connecting our IP devices to it, and it will receive their signals and then send it back and forth, very convenient. And also, since we're going to plant this in the outside, we have to make sure it's waterproof. This is rated IP67, so it can definitely resist a hard environment sometimes out there, rain, dust. And also the power supply is built outside individually, so we won't have to worry about the overheating issues, and also metal casing will help itself release a lot of heat when it's functioning. Okay, so today I'm going to help you guys connect these two, and then I'll let you guys see how simply it is. And then I'll control panel tilt zoom camera, let you guys see this connection is a very suitable solution. So first, make sure our transmitter here is connected to our main network, which is over here, and then the power goes here. And this white Ethernet cable connects our NVR for our recording measurements. So this part is all set, and this is our receiver. So it receives the data, and here is the power connected to our alternating current. And here is its Ethernet cable. So remember, a PoE powered switch, the data that it receives must go through port 8. Other ports will not work. Once this is on, and I've connected our PoE powered switch to our alternating current as well, the indicators are on, and now I'm going to connect our panel tilt zoom camera to our PoE powered switch. This should turn on any second when I connect it. So this is the initial self-check, and I'm going to turn on my laptop here and wait. So now our panel tilt zoom camera is everything's ready and I can control it from my laptop. You can see it will panel and tilt up and down accordingly to my controls. And yeah, and try thinking there's like 1,000-meter gap between us. So yes, you can see everything's very smooth and functional. So this is our wireless network bridge. We have, remember, a very open area. We can use this to create an over 1,000-meter network system. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any more questions about this connection system, you can leave them in the section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.